Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. And this is actually before the New Year's, but I'm sure by the time this is up, it will be after the first, probably after the second week. I did pick up the gray tones of the Chameleon for $12.99. And if you're not familiar with these are the markers that change colors. One pen can, do several shades of the same color. I did pick up the chenille. They had several of the chenille different ones. I only got the tea one. And this is Cup of Tea Rise and Shine. I was trying to find the other carpe diem ones. I saw one of them with just the flower ones, but that's not the one I wanted. It was a couple other ones by then, one with the girl and some other ones. Hoping to find it, but this stuff says hustling, good vibes only, best day ever, love, and I got little small little stamps. These stamps are of course great for planners, but also ATCs, inchies, twinchies, index cards, the one you decorate. So you can use those for other little small miniature things as well. And that's what that looks like. Picked up another set of these pens. These are really good too. Like when you stamp something and it misstamped, say you don't have a Misty or Tim Holtz, one of those platform stampers or whatever, and you stamp something but you just missed the piece in. These pens are really great. They're archival and you can go in and you can stamp with them because it's waterproof, non-bleeding, fade proof. Of course, you can use these for journaling as well, but they're great. I've used these to fill in mishaps. I believe I have this, but I'm not sure because I have another word die set by Cutter B that I know I have for sure. But this one, I was on the fence. I wasn't sure. I think I have it. If so, I'm taking it back, but I'm not sure. But it says Happy, Love, Hello, and Awesome. So I went on and got it because it's the only one I saw. And they had a December date, even though it came out months ago. And I was like, oh, maybe I missed it the last time because I know I was looking for it, but I got another word set by them. I just wasn't sure about that one. Some more Maggie Holmes stuff came out again, and I do believe I already have this set. This is the puffy stickers, and I just got another one of those. And this came out before, but it's out again. And they pretty much, her stuff ties in. Most of her colors blend in with her other colors. And I did finally get the 9, this is 9 pieces of vellum, but it's a total of 40 altogether. And this goes with the flourish pieces, I believe. Is it flourish? Yeah, flourish. I like the little houses up here too. Picked up some more ephemera packs. Again, trying to look for some more of a masculine feel. This is Echo Parks, and this is Adventure, and this definitely is, it's got that little boy feel, and this has, how many pieces? 33 in it. And they're in the, the navies and darker blues and greens. And then this one is more of a travel one kind of thing. But it still has this boyish as well, I think. You can use this masculine. It's got some glitter on it, but I think you can do it. It's called Breeze. This goes under the Lost and Found mixed media one. So anyway, in different shapes and banners and pennants and stuff. I thought maybe it would be good for embellishments. And then I ended up getting this enamel dot one. It's the coffee one, but it's kind of the boy kind of colors as well. Even though you can use these with girls. But again, it just wasn't, I didn't want it something that wasn't so pinky, you got your little peach over there. I did pick this stamp set up. I thought it was cute. It says Happy, Enjoy, Smile, and Thank You. These would be cute on some ATCs, and I love this one in the middle. You got your dots and you got your zigzag. Both of these are stitching, so you can use that on anything, like especially a mixed media background, just to add some dimension and some layers. But even around on a scrapbook page, you want to have some faux stitching, you can use that stamp right there to add that to it as well. And I was thinking about these for ATCs. I thought it would be cute. And I thought this was a cute bow bunny. Just different ways to say thank you. And you've got that, I forgot the name of that font. That says grateful, thank you for being awesome. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. You're the best. Thank you. So very thankful. Thanks and many thanks. Just different ways of saying thank you. Could always use that for different cards. Just picked some gold thickers by EK Success. 168 pieces. So yay. You know, they had to spell a few words with that. I did find one of the Festive Fancies board that goes with the Ultimate Pro, which I do have, which I got from Tuesday morning, maybe 2 years ago. And so I thought this would be nice. I'm also in a collab with Poise Spice and some other ladies for boxes for the whole year. Boxes, bags, and boxes, bags, and something else. Anyway, purses, I think. Boxes, purses, and bags. Yeah. That we can make throughout the year, and I thought this would come in handy too as well. It was only $3.99, so it wasn't a bad addition to add some different dimension. And this is holiday one, but it's a double-sided board, so you got different sides, different elements that you can use to emboss with. So you definitely have to have a stylist embossing tool. And then again with the Flourish collection, they had these. I did pick up two. I usually get two of the chipboard ones whenever they come out. I thought it was real pretty, and so again, love the houses. I'm so loving the houses. But anyway, so nice color palette. And then last but not least, and I showed this on my IG, DaretoBeCreative one, and I always show my stuff there sooner. This is the second of the Crafters Campaign Inspiration Magazine. This is number 11. I already showed you guys in one of my other videos. Number 12, and you know, came with the dad and the Boston folder and the stamps and stuff. And it's on my IG account as well. So again, this is $4.99. You cannot beat this. Sorry about the sound. But the magazine itself, okay, it's like what, $12.95 or something like that for the magazine. And this is the overseas magazine. What does it have the price on it? I know it's like $12 or $15.99. It might be $16.95 in Barnes & Noble. So you've got what, 67 pages. You've got all these design tips on how to make these cards in here. I mean, so you have tons of inspiration. So you can't beat that. That right there, 65 projects, right? So if that wasn't enough, then you get 2 DVDs. Okay, so the first one, it talks about Spectrum Noir ink pads. So it's a whole intro on that, an hour of expert advice on how to use them. So take you back to Baker's section of innovative Spectrum Noir ink pads and shares her top tips and tricks to achieve a range of wonderful techniques. Boost your stamping skills with Valina's exclusive step-by-step video tutorials to create beautiful all-occasion projects. Then the opposite side is the Inspiration Magazine, issue 11. So you get 7 digital collection. On the other one, I think you got 6. Yeah, the other one you got 6 digital collections. So you have papers that you can print. Wow. But I do note up here it does says make sure you back up your personal data on your computer before you use this. I don't know why, but they tell you just to be careful to do that. So, but anyway, you have that in there. So you have 2 DVDs. So you got paper, okay? Paper collection right there. 1,000 printable elements. Wow. So again, for $4.95. Then you got 28 stamp piece. 28 stamps. And just in case you can't see it, these elements correspond to a house. You got a bird feeder, birds, cats, dogs, bicycles, curtains, flowers, butterflies, you know, just different things that you could add onto a house. And then you turn around and get a 20, that's a, you know, a stamp set. And then you turn around and get a 27 piece house set with the picket fence, the windows, the doors. I mean, so you get a chimney, you get the clouds, the bricks, the door, garden accessories, the fascia, and the window dies. I mean, seriously, can you beat that? So here's the dies and here's the stamp set, and you get both of this all for $4.99. So I found number 11 and number 12. So I'm assuming the other ones are out there. I haven't seen anybody else posted. Maybe I missed it, but I haven't seen anybody else with these. Both of these have been found in the same store a week apart, and they've only had one just laying down on the bottom of the floor in the craft owl. I mean, just like thrown over there both times. But I haven't seen anybody haul them, so I don't know if the other ones are all out. I'm assuming they probably be trickling all in. They both had December numbers on them, so I'm assuming probably some more will be coming in January or whatever. But be on the lookout for that, because this is great just to have as a reference. You know, both of these magazines, you know, just really good inspiration. There it is, that house die that you can put together. I mean, that's really, really cool. So, yeah, cannot beat it. So anyway, I just definitely want to, have you look out for that, because I think those are just such an incredible, sets. So be on the lookout for those. So anyway, and that's the embossing folder and like that as a cut emboss and stamps with the last set. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.